All right, here's a quick how-to. Let's say you have, this is just a random table that I got off the internet. It's in Excel, but it could be Google Sheets. Format it the way you like with lines and bold and everything. And then highlight it, right click copy. Then you can take that off screen. Come over to Chief and go to Rich Text. Open up Rich Text and then just Control V or Command V. And you'll notice that you don't see the colors. I'm not sure why that is, but we're going to make them all black. And we're just going to see, it looks kind of goofy right now. Doesn't really look clean, right? Hit OK. Look at that. I don't know how it does that. I don't even know how you can make a table. Look how clean that looks. Each one of these is like a cell. As you right arrow across, it jumps to the next one, and it jumps to the next one. So I suppose if it was a font that had bold, you could do bold. And that's in Chief. Look how that's just that's pretty scary. Whoops, how awesome that is. There we go. So there it is. Real quick tip. And now you could take any table. You could build a really complex looking table, paste it into rich text, and then in fact you could probably look at that. You can add it to the library. So yeah, any kind of tables that you repetitively use for code, like up here in Washington, we do Washington State Energy Code. There's a lot of tables they want to see. So you just build them, keep them, and then put them in your library. All right, that's enough of this. Let's hit stop.